Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 19 in Electronics Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 420 and look at figure exam-3, which you should find in either the printed or the electronic edition, and I have reproduced it here, tailored just a little bit so that hopefully it will display well on your screen, no matter what kind of device you're using. Anyway, this particular coordinate system is known as a complex impedance half plane. The vertical axis represents reactance, which are all imaginary quantities as indicated by this J operator, the square root of -1. That's what J represents. So these are all imaginary number quantities. They can be positive imaginary, which represents inductive reactance, or negative imaginary, representing capacitive reactance. Resistance is the other component of complex impedance. That is a real number quantity which is only 0 or greater. That is, it can't be negative. And these therefore are real numbers in ohms: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here these are imaginary number ohms, J0, J2, J4. So right here, 0 plus J0, or the point 0 J0, represents a dead short circuit. But we're being asked here, what does vector P represent? Well, it represents a certain amount of resistance, looks like about 7 ohms here, and a certain amount of inductive reactance, looks like about J3.5, something like that. So the correct choice for this question is B. It represents inductive reactance combined with resistance.